Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the octane red. It looks great. I love the sparkly red color. It looks awesome. You do have some chrome accenting on the front with that Dodge logo, and you do have halogen quad headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Kumo brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and those rims look very nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors in the black right there. And coming all the way around to the back here, we do have our SXT logo. We have our Dodge and our Grand Caravan as well. We do have our parking sensors right down there. Now, to open it, you just got to pull this guy. Opens up just like that. It is indented back here. It's very nice, lots of room. It is stow and go seating, so all you gotta do is you gotta follow these. So you go 1, you go 2, 3 is right here, and 4 is right here. Pull that down and fold it down, and it folds just like that, and you can have even more room back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. Let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now right here we do have controls over our windows, mirrors, and locks right there. Back windows do open up, all of them actually. Very nice. You have some chrome accenting here and kind of the swirly design up here. You got leather for your armrest, very comfortable. You got some additional storage here and here. It is very spacious in here as well. Love the seats. They feel fantastic. The cloth is great, very comfortable. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you have your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams there, as well as your in-cabin light control here. Right up here we do have the control over our high beams and our windshield wipers all hanging out right in there, as well as our turning signals. Okay, so let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, only 41, that's nothing. You can change that to your trip A and B, as well as your distance till empty, and the kilometers that you're going at the time. That is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Right here is our gear shift, just like that. You also have your radio right in the center here. It looks great. So you do have your seek options right up top, right there. You have your voice recognition, your call out button. You got info and rewind and fast forward. You got a CD player right here. Your volume up and down. You have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your disc if you have one hooked up. Through your disc or your aux cord. Your aux cord plug-in is right there. Your lists, your music type, and your setup, as well as your selector there. You also have your presets and your set just down there. Then down here we do have the controls over our climate. So we have a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of heat or cold. You also have where it's going to blow out of here, your AC, the power, and the circulation, and then some defrost right over there. You got your econ mode. You also right here have your hazard lights and your traction control. Some storage just in there, some cup holders right there, and some more right in here with some storage underneath there. Then right here you can lift this guy up. You got a top glove box and a bottom locking glove box right there as well. And then up top we do have our lights and a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It does have seating for 7. The seats are the same as the front. They are very comfortable as well. They look great. You also have the stow and go seats on the second row, so you just gotta pull this guy up right there like that. And then this one, fold that, and it just folds right over and into the floor. And then you can fold this right back over top. Looks great. It's out of the way, more room. You also got your seats back there with your cup holders as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.